What's the meaning of aviator? Aviator. Aviator.
Aviator. Aviator. An aviator is a person who flies aircraft. They may hold various roles, such as a commercial pilot, military pilot, or private pilot, and may fly different types of aircraft, including airplanes, helicopters, and gliders. Aviators must undergo extensive training and meet certain qualifications in order to obtain a pilot's license. They are responsible for safely operating and maneuvering their aircraft, as well as navigating and communicating with air traffic control. The role of an aviator has played an important part in the development and advancement of aviation technology throughout history.